Hi all, if you're new to my channel, my name is Imtiaz and this is my channel Imtinet. If you're already subscribed, welcome back, it's really good to see you again. On my channel I cover mainly technology, but I also occasionally cover anything else that interests me. And I don't do rumours or speculation, I only focus on things that I actually have so that I can give you my full proper opinion so that you can decide whether or not it's worth it for you as well. Generally, everything I feature on my channel I've purchased myself, but if I do get sent something for review, I'll only make a video of it if I feel it's worth it and beneficial to my viewers. 2020 was a really fun year for my channel and we grew to 625 subscribers and hit over 200,000 views, which is beyond anything I could have possibly imagined when I started the channel. For 2021, I have a lot of fun stuff planned, from more detailed looks at the M1 Max to looks at what gear I use to make my videos and everything in between. I'm a bit of a strange tech user in that I have a Mac and an iPad, but I use an Android phone as my main device, and I also do have a Windows PC lying around that I built myself. So I believe that this gives me a bit of a unique perspective, as I'm someone who has a foot in all the various camps, except ready for Linux. I aim to release videos weekly on Mondays at 12 PM GMT, so if this sounds like something you'd be interested in, drop me a subscription and a like. My aim this year is to get to 1,000 subscribers, but even if I can help one person make a more informed decision on something, then I'll be happy. So yeah, I will catch you in the next one.